Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove CapCut watermark that appear when we create a video from CapCut template. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my CapCut application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create a video using CapCut template. So I'm going to go to the templates menu, and I'm going to pick random template right here. For example, I'm going to choose this one. Okay, I'm going to create a video using this template. So I'm going to click on use template. Okay, and then I'm going to replace the video in this template with my own video. Wait, I'm going to choose video from my download album. Okay, I'm just going to pick a random video from here. Wait. Okay, we need to choose 10 items or 10 videos. Okay, now it's done, and I'm going to click on next to import the videos to the CapCut template. Okay, and the CapCut watermark will appear right here, as you can see, and I'm going to show you guys how we can remove this CapCut watermark. Okay, before you export the video, you can edit the video first here. You can change the audio if you want. If you don't like the audio from the template, you can change the audio. You can add sound from your device, or you can extract audio from video. And then for the audio, I'm just going to leave it like that. And then I'm going to go to the text. We'll be able to change the text as well. Okay, this is for the text. If you want to change it, you can change it here. Just click on edit. All right, and then I'm going to go back, and then I'm going to export my video. Okay, click on export, and if you want to remove the watermark, guys, you just need to click on export without watermark, and then the watermark will be automatically removed from your video. Okay, now the video is being exported, and I'm going to wait for it. Okay, done, and I'm going to show you the video. As you can see guys, that the watermark has been removed from my video, and then we'll be able to share the video to our social media such as TikTok or maybe Instagram. Okay guys, and that's all the way to remove CapCut watermark. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.